I'm Sharon Luft with Hammond International Properties. Let's take a closer look at this exceptional residence. Introducing 117 Elgin Street, the refined nest, a rarely available address offering privacy, timeless appeal, and room to live beautifully. Old Thornhill is one of the most recognized neighborhoods in Toronto, Canada. We are in close proximity to country clubs, private schools, boutique shops, fine dining, world-class golf courses, and downtown Toronto. Thank you for taking the time to explore this beautiful residence with me. I invite you to connect with me if you'd like to learn more. Have a beautiful day. A world of magnificence awaits.